One-stop cleaning shop, have worked with Northshore over many years to source sustainable cleaning products to supply to our clients. Many of the paper products that you buy are made from waste paper from offices, magazines, and cardboard, all locally sourced around Manchester. The waste paper is mixed with clean water from the local river. This huge mixer creates a pulp that floats on the surface. Using pressure and steam, the pulp is made into huge rolls of paper. These massive rolls are then cut up into smaller rolls of Northshore toilet paper. One-stop supply these to customers across the whole of the UK. There is some waste from the paper making process, but this waste is dried and made into animal bedding. The bedding is then donated to local farmers. Finally, the wastewater is filtered, and it is returned to the river, cleaner than when it was removed.